Okay, so example 1, let's solve this system. So if you look at our x's, our coefficients are 3 and 5. And if you look at our y's, our coefficients are 4 and 2. So they're all different, but I can't multiply 3 by anything to make it 5. But I can multiply 2 to make it a 4. So we're going to take this second equation and multiply it by 2. So we're going to get 10x plus 4y equals negative 8. And then we'll just rewrite the first equation above it. So 3x plus 4y equals, that should be a positive 6. Yours is positive. My example was messed up. Sorry about that. So now, draw our little fancy bracket. Our y's are the same. So to eliminate, we subtract. So these will be gone. 3 minus 10 is negative 7x. And 6 minus negative 8 means 6 plus 8, so that's 14. So x is negative 2. Pick an equation. I'm going to choose the first one. Everything's positive, so I'm going to use this one. And instead of x, I'll put a negative 2 in its place to figure out what y is. So I get negative 6 plus 4y equals 6. I'm going to add 6 to both sides. And I get 4y equals 12. So y equals 3. I think the answer is negative 2, 3. We'll check it on the next slide. Okay, so we're checking our answer. We think it's negative 2, 3. Remember, this is your x and this is your y. So let's do the setup. Parentheses instead of variables. And that should be a positive 6. Sorry, your slide is correct. So instead of x, negative 2. Instead of y, positive 3. We get negative 6 plus 12, which is 6. First equation checks out. Second equation, the setup. Instead of variables, parentheses. Then we plug in for x a negative 2 and for y a positive 3. Negative 10 plus 6 is negative 4. They both check. We can put our answer in the box. So now you're going to do some practice problems on your own. Try to do the whole problem and then check the video to see if you did it correctly.